Hello, today I'm so excited to unbox Furls crochet hooks. So today I'm going to unbox the Furls Alpha in Rosewood, and I'm just so excited. I cannot wait to open this box up. Plus, at the end of this video, I'm going to have a surprise announcement, so make sure and stay tuned. Furls Fiberarts is the world's premier provider of luxury crochet hooks and other fiber art tools, and they are a wonderful company. They have wonderful, beautiful crochet hooks, and I'm just so excited to open this box right now. And here is the box. It says Furls Alpha Series on it. Very pretty, shiny box. Open it up. Ooh. I did not realize how shiny this crochet hook was going to be. It is so pretty. And right off the back, I can say it's very lightweight. It's a very nice size, as you can see. Very beautiful. It's very pretty. This is the size G 4.0 millimeter Furls Alpha Series crochet hook in Rosewood. The Alpha Series are handmade wooden crochet hooks. They offer several different options for the kind of wood. Each Furls Alpha Series crochet hooks have a proprietary inline tapered fusion head, a micro polish tip for effortless glide, a bulbous ergonomic grip that eliminates tension, and a descending tapered tail for TCL relief. Furls Fiberarts provides a custom concierge care service, a $500 hand health guarantee, a lifetime warranty on all hooks, and hours of uncompromisingly meticulous artistry. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start to crochet with it. Now I'm going to insert some clips of me actually using this crochet hook. I'm so excited to try it out, and I'll insert those now. As you can see, I've been crocheting with my Furls crochet hook for quite a while now, and I'm honestly loving it. The yarn never catches on the wood. My yarn glides like butter over the hook, very smooth and easy. The hook is very lightweight, which I love. I do not like a heavy hook. The shape took a little bit to get used to, but now that I'm used to it, I love it. It's very comfortable to crochet with, and I do not want to put my hook down, even more so than normal. I actually sat here crocheting well past the time that I meant to, but you know how that goes when you've got a good pattern, wonderful yarn, and an awesome crochet hook to crochet with. And now for my surprise announcement. Here's the box that the Furls crochet hook came in, and ta-da! There's two! So not only do I have one that I can use and do a review on, thank you so much Furls, but they have also been so generous as to send me another crochet hook to give away. And the way that you can win this beautiful crochet hook is to join my Alex Beanie Cow, Crochet and Alex Beanie. Join the Facebook group and post a picture of your finished beanie, or you can email it to me, or you can tag me on Instagram, or send it in a private message, and then I'll be drawing a winner out of the people that have participated in the cow and actually finished making an Alex Beanie hat. So if you want to win one of these awesome Furls crochet hooks, then all you have to do is join the Alex Beanie Cow, Crochet and Alex Beanie, and you can have a chance to win this beautiful crochet hook. Thank you again Furls Crochet for sending me these hooks to review and to give away one to a lucky winner for the Alex Beanie Cow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Until next time.